A magnificent Victorian hall, located near Penrith, Cumbria, England. It offers 12 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. This substantial Grade II listed Victorian hall is set in the peaceful North Cumbrian countryside. The main residence offers generous period accommodation with large reception rooms, a country house kitchen, extensive cellar space and 11 bedrooms, including a self-contained annex wing. Original architectural features are complemented by well-proportioned interiors designed for comfortable modern living. Within the grounds are a striking orangery, with adjoining facilities, a separate 2-bedroom cottage, and a collection of 9 high-quality holiday lodges, each discreetly positioned and benefiting from private outdoor space. The estate extends to approximately 7.5 acres, comprising formal landscaped gardens, paddocks and mature woodland. Manicured lawns, water features and established planting provide an elegant setting around the hall. The asking price of this magnificent Victorian hall is £3 million. This property is a rare and versatile country estate offering scale, character and privacy in one of Cumbria's most desirable rural settings. Thank you for watching.